Welcome to my effective how-to videos. Today I'm going to show you how to set the rear wiper on a Jeep Grand Cherokee from 97-98 to 2004 model years. It's a little bit tricky, and there are other videos that I found are misleading you. Because you need to be both in the front and in the back, it's a two-man job. You can try to do it alone, but it's a little bit more difficult. So I have my sweetheart who is at the steering wheel, and I'm going to give her some instructions. So the first thing, when you look at the other videos, they are telling you that this part needs to be bent, you need to hit that, it's very, you may have the wrong angle, etc., etc. What I have found is that actually just a little bit of grease on the plastic slide is going to help slide it in the right position. The right position is very easy to find. Basically, let me try to put that my grease gun so that it does not slide. Okay, the right position is very easy to find. It just needs to be parallel to the bottom of the window, but below, so that when I open the rear window, as I did earlier to show my sweetheart who is at the steering wheel, it clears the wiper, so just below. So the first thing is that you need to remove here, and you can do that with the fingers. I think it's sturdy, and my fingers are good enough. So here we go. So you remove the cap with the fingers, and there is a nut. So you untie the nut, because what is very important is to have the right angle position when it's on the off position at the dashboard. It needs to rest here at the bottom of the bracket, not above and not below. If you are below, you may be in a situation where the electric motor is going to be trying to get down all the time, which is basically going to destroy your electric motor. If you are above, it's intended and designed to be just at that position, and that's the reason why you need somebody. So, sweetheart, can you please get the rear motor, the wiper, on, please? And here what I do is that, and then off, please. Here we go. You see, I pulled it on purpose outside of the resting fitting here, the resting bracket, and I'm not going to untie it, but basically what you need to do, you untie the nut, and you position it, the angle, so that the bottom of the bracket is resting, basically is nested here at the bottom of the other bracket, which is on the body of the car. Once it's done, here we go, I put it, and it's done. It's that easy. So you need actually a second person so that you are able to pull the wiper's arm outside of the bracket, and then the nut angular position here, that's easy to do, and a little bit of grease. I had this one for at least a couple of months, and it's working very well. So no complex thing, just follow this procedure. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section in the video. I am always happy to help. I do have, by the way, another video about adjusting the shape of the wiper so that there is no remains at all of water on the rear windshield. And I've learned that from the professional, and it has been very, very effective. When I say windshield, sorry, I meant the rear glass of the car. Again, thank you for watching this video.